Good morning, buenos dias. I'm in the southeast of the island in Cala Llombards, just very close to Calo, Moro, one of the most popular beaches here on the island. I woke up at 5 because I wanted to be here at sunrise after 40 minutes of driving. The sun is going up in around 10 minutes, so I have to hurry up a little bit because I want to get very nice drone footage. So here we are, the most famous Calo Moro, here behind me. The sun is about to come up over there. Time to get the drone out and fly it a little bit. Let's do it. So beautiful, is one of my favorite spots here. Now I go to the next one, Cala Llombards, very close from here, around from 3 till 5 minutes with the car. But this one here is really one of the best spots in Mallorca. It's one of my favorite ones. If you can, come here and yeah, it's worth it. It's beautiful. This nice guy who's working here is going to show me the way through some rocks. ¿Cómo te llamas? José, soy Patrick.
Está precioso.
Es a gusto, super a gusto. Bueno, nos vemos.
Okay, quedamos bien.
Second spot of my lonely vlogging day today, Friday, end of May, is Cala Llombards. Just one guy came here to swim, but I was here like the last 20 minutes and there was nobody. It's a perfect time now for us locals to enjoy the beaches of the island. And yeah, the tourists can come in July again. After all this corona stress, be patient, wait a month, and then you can come here again and enjoy this natural beauty as well. It's nice, huh? It's beautiful. It's paradise. It's Mallorca. What a beautiful way to start the day. Still alone at the beach here in Cala Llombards. And now I'm going to relax a little bit, reading, swimming, just enjoy the day. That's the end of vlog 1. After Corona, with Corona. See you in the next one.